How to use append in Python.
Lambanologicsols, the ultimate solution channel.
Method is append. So here I have a list of color, which is blue, red, and yellow. So how do I add another item in this list? So I'm going to use a method called append. So in append, what I'm going to do in append, come here, I write color like this. I put a dot, then I'll go with append, open bracket, single quotation, double quotation, and it can work. I'm going to add pink in this list, and from there I'll come inside here. I'll say I print what I want to print color. Print color. That's what I'm going to print. When I save this, and I go ahead and I hit on run this code, and there is coming, waiting, and you see I'm getting pink. So what happens if I want to add another new item or another new color in this list? When I come here and I say, open another quotation, I say I want to add black. When I save this and I run, we are getting an error. Why? Because method append here only takes one argument. What do I mean by argument? I mean meaning the item that I put inside this append. So to add a new item in this list, I'm going to remove this, and I will add another one like this. I'll put color like this. I put dot. I go with append, open a bracket. I want to add what? Black. So I save this, and you will see if I run this code, and this time around you see my black. So this is how you can add a list. You can add a new item in the list using append.